Anyway, like I said, Brett, so let's, for Brett and Bill, because it's kind of the same thing. All right. I want you to start tapping the top of your head. Okay. I am awesome.
Okay. I am awesome.
Eyebrow. I am wonderful just the way I am.
I'm wonderful.
I am wonderful just the way I am.
Side of the eye. I am good enough just the way I am.
I am good enough.
I am good enough just the way I am.
Under the eye, and just cycle through your tapping points, okay? I don't have to grovel to get love.
I don't have to grovel to get love.
I don't have to grovel for crumbs.
I
don't have to grovel for crumbs.
Because I know I'm good enough.
Because I know I'm good enough.
Collarbone. Deep down, I know I am good enough.
Deep down, I know I am good enough.
Under the arm, because I know I can do this.
Because I know I can do this.
Karate chop. Yes, 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 I know I can do this.
Yes, 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 I know I can do this.
Top of the head. Because I am awesome.
Because I am awesome.
Eyebrow. I am magnificent.
I am magnificent.
I am brilliant.
I am brilliant.
Under the eye. I am wonderful.
I am wonderful.
Under the nose. I am powerful.
I am powerful.
Under the mouth. I am confident.
I am confident.
Collarbone. I am good at what I do.
I am good
at what I do.
Under the eye. Because I've paid my dues.
Because I've paid my dues.
Karate chop. And I know a thing or two.
And
I know a thing or two.
Top of the head. And I don't have to do it for free.
And I don't
have to do it for free.
Because I am magnificent.
Because I am magnificent.
I am awesome.
I
am awesome.
I am beautiful.
Beautiful.
I am funny.
I am beautiful.
Under the mouth, under the nose. I am funny.
I am funny.
Under the mouth. I'm cute.
I'm cute.
I'm sexy.
I'm sexy.
I am powerful.
I am powerful.
I am confident.
I
am confident.
Top of the head. The energy that created the universe flows through every cell in my body.
The energy that created the universe flows through every cell in my body.
Eyebrow. The love that created the universe pulsates through every cell in my body.
The
love that created the universe pulsates through every cell in my body.
The power that created the universe flows through every cell in my body.
The power that created the universe flows through every cell in my body.
I am wonderful.
I am wonderful.
I am magnificent.
I am magnificent.
On the mouth. I am awesome.
I am awesome.
I'm done groveling for crumbs.
I'm done groveling for crumbs.
I don't have to do it for free.
I don't
have to do it for free.
Karate chop. I'm not doing it for free anymore.
I'm not doing it for free anymore.
Top of that, because I am lovable just the way I am.
Because I am lovable just the way I am.
Eyebrow. I'm worthy and deserving of love.
I'm worthy and deserving of love.
I'm worthy and deserving of respect.
I'm worthy and deserving of respect.
Because I am magnificent.
Because I am magnificent.
I am brilliant.
I am brilliant.
I am confident.
I am confident.
I am powerful.
I am powerful.
The arm. I have paid my dues.
I have paid my dues.
Karate chop. I know a thing or two.
I know a thing or two.
Top of the head. And I don't have to grovel for crumbs anymore.
I don't have to grovel for crumbs anymore.
Eyebrow. Because I am good enough.
Because I am good enough.
Deep down, I know I'm good enough.
Deep down,
Deep down, I know I'm good enough.
Under the I, and yes, I know I can do it.
Yes, I know I can do it.
Under those deep down, I know I really can do it.
Deep down, I know I really can do it.
Because I am wonderful.
Because I am wonderful.
Oh, I am awesome.
I am awesome.
I am brilliant.
I am brilliant.
Karate chop. I am magnificent.
I am magnificent.
All right, take a deep breath. Now release. Okay. Now that's something I'd suggest you do every day.
Mm.